Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 SKODA Octavia. Actually, first I'm going to delete it from here, make the job easier so it doesn't pick it up. So SKODA, where is it? SKODA not connected at the moment, but forget this device, forget. So that's gone. Onto the system here. Phone, settings, select telephone or Bluetooth. Bluetooth. Now then, Bluetooth settings. Bluetooth visibility. First of all, make sure there's if you can't pair your phone, make sure there's a tick there. Very important. But you go all the way down to paired devices and find devices. So we want paired devices. And you see there, Barry's iPhone 13 Pro, and there's a bin there. Click on the bin. Do you really want to delete Barry's iPhone 13 Pro? Yes, I do. Delete. That's it gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 SKODA Octavia. What we do first, onto your phone, settings, go to Bluetooth, and then we're going to be watching out at the bottom. Over to the media system, we click on phone, and you'll see there, please find SKODA BT on mobile phone or find telephone. So I'm going to click find telephone on here. It's looking for a phone, it's already come up on here. So should I wait for it to come up on the system? My phone's found the system, the system's looking for the phone. I'm going to wait till it comes up on the actual screen. It's often easier to do it from the screen to the car, from the car screen to the phone than the phone to the car. Sometimes if you do it from the phone to the car, you then have to start putting a PIN number in and then a PIN number on the system, whereas this usually generates a random PIN number. So Barry's iPhone 13 Pro, so we'll click on that. Hands-free telephone connecting to Barry's iPhone. Yes, it has, and it's generated a random PIN 223720. So click pair and then click yes there. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. Still connecting, but I think if we just go up here, let's see if we can find SKODA amongst all. SKODA BT connected. That's it done. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream music from your phone through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 SKODA Octavia. If we go to music, record playing there, you'll see at the bottom there's a car and it's saying SKODA BT. That means anything I play from this phone, any audio, if we've got this set up right, the music will play through the system. Just to show you, if you click on there, if iPhone had a tick next to it, it would come out the speaker on the iPhone, but it's a tick next to SKODA, so that's right. So we'll go here, it should be playing. I'm going to turn that up. We go over to the system, we click media. Can you hear that noise? So you can hear how it's playing there all correctly. And for some reason, I don't know why, but VW systems do this. And you have to, if I just go to Bluetooth, switch that off. If it does this, if it doesn't, you're fine. So switch that off, switch the car off, lock the car, unlock it, switch back on, click on Bluetooth, wait for it to connect. It's connected now, so we'll try it again now. That's perfect. I'm really glad it did that, because it's as I say, the VW system, for some reason it does that, and I don't know why. But it's SKODA, it's Seat, it's VW, Audi, probably Lamborghini as well, if the system's in there. So at least that shows you how to do it. Disconnect your Bluetooth, switch the car off, switch it back on again, connect your Bluetooth, and it should work okay. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2017 SKODA Octavia. And I don't think it's ever been used before, because when I went on it, it was still on kind of setup. So what we need to do is click on nav. When you click on nav, if you're not familiar to it, you'll see in a second, there's nowhere on there. The menu at the bottom, that goes off, and it only comes back on when you put your hand towards it. I don't know why, but anyway, so put your hand towards it and you want new destination. Now before it was only allowing me to do search. You see there, search or address. Search, if that's on search, you don't want it on search, trust me. It can't find anything. So you have to press the 3 lines here. So press on there and then click address. That's what you want. Even this, very, very long-winded way of doing it. So it's got country and city. Well, United Kingdom, city, oh, you know, yawn. So otherwise you're going to have to put city, then the street, then the number to find it. You don't want to be doing that. So we click city. Now enter city, United Kingdom. But down at the bottom here, you've got PTCD, stands for postcode. There's all this room, all that room, and they have to abbreviate postcode. So postcode, enter postcode, so ABC, gee whiz, P, R, now we want numbers, so we've got to go to 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, back to letters, E, A, so that's Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, High Walton, Preston, PR5, 4EA. Right, you've just typed it all in. You've got to click on it again. You've clicked on it. Now you've got to tell it just how many times you need telling. Now you've got a choice of 3 routes. You want the fastest, no doubt, so the top one.
Make a U-turn if possible.
That's it. It's. If anybody from Volkswagen's watching, go to Range Rover and get Range Rover to show you how to make a sat-nav, a simple sat-nav, because this is stupid. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.